Oh my god.
What's happening?
Oh my goodness. We're getting a fish machine. I couldn't even say it. Fish machine. Fish massage. I like it. At first it was really weird. Like super weird to put your feet down in it because they immediately start to bite you. But now I really like it. It's pretty relaxing, like like that.
Oh my god, they're all at the top here with their mouths open.
Oh my gosh.
Do you enjoy it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, this is strange.
That's so weird.
I'm bait.
So I live in the U.S., born and raised.
Yeah.
Originally from families from Algeria. When we go back to like the Mediterranean, when you go to the beach, they have little fish like that. And if you just stand in the water, like still enough, yeah, you get that feeling. And it's like the weirdest. As a little kid, you hate it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
This is not relaxing. This is not pleasurable. Feels like there are thousands of fish like chewing on my legs. What's the phrase? A fool and his money? Fool.
It's only $3.
$3.
Wow, they kick right back in.
It did. They're everywhere.
Yeah, now you know they want you to stand in front because then it attracts more people.
Yeah.
Getting a fish massage, I give it a 9 out of 10. I like it. Steve doesn't care for it. He already has his feet out the water. It's a fun experience. Right up there among the craziest things we've tried. Wait, give your summary. Oh wait, your feet are already out.
My feet are drying. I found this similar to like, you know, when like part of your body goes to sleep, like your hand or your arm and it tingles. That's what it was like for me, like both legs and both feet. Didn't love it. And I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I might give it like 4 out of 10.
Oh my.
But $3,
That's
like
$3.
who cares? Fun for the experience.
Would you pay $3 to try it again?
No.
But are you glad you paid $3 to try it once?
Sure, now I can say I've done it.
Yeah.
I'm such a world traveler. I let fish nibble on my body. Yeah. No, I probably would not do this again.
Yeah.
The fish seem hungry.